Hey y'all, it's Allie here from Calling Tennessee Home, and today I want to share with you a laundry detergent that is non-toxic and actually works. I am always on the hunt as a mom looking for non-toxic products that actually work, and I have tried countless different types of laundry detergents, and this one so far has been my favorite, this Molly Suds Ultra Concentrated. Keep that in mind. It's safe for your front-loading washers, and this little bottle actually says it does up to 100 loads. I love that it doesn't have dyes, doesn't have formaldehyde, it doesn't have all those nasty chemicals in it. And this one is actually unscented, which is even better for us. It does tell you that 40 milliliters is for large or heavily soiled loads, and about half of that is for medium loads. I range between the two depending what we are washing over here. You can see the ingredient list is very short. It has just over a handful of ingredients and things that you can easily research. It is made in the USA, and let me show you the cap on this. Now, I was kind of surprised when this bottle came because it's not very large. However, I have done some serious loads of laundry and feel like that it's going by in a reasonable amount of time. Now, in this cap, like a lot of your other caps, let me see if I can find it here. It's going to show you where 40 milliliters is, and about half of that you can go down from there. Obviously it has other markings in it too. Here's another one right here. I don't know if I put my finger over that you can see it better. So it's not very much. Definitely don't fill the cap up and put this in your washing machine. But again, that's the Molly Suds Ultra Concentrated. This is the unscented version, which even better for my family, and I hope you enjoy it just as much as we do.